Hello everyone, it's Cheyenne. I'm back for another video here, and today we're going to talk about updates in the market. So if you guys have been following it closely, the Fed recently had their meeting, which they did not change rates. They kept them the same, which was to be expected. And the big thing to note actually was during the meeting they did talk about how they're starting to get a little dovish and how they're beginning to say that they will have to cut rates if job and unemployment data come in bad. They have never previously said this in the past few months, and there's no talk of a soft landing anymore. Things have gone from, say, we expect a soft landing to now, if the economic data says that we're going to have to cut rates, we're going to cut rates. So people are pricing in rate cuts in either the next FOMC meeting, which would be in May, or the one after that. And so I just see a few things that kind of back it up. From a technical standpoint, we've seen two bottoms checks at the 77 level. It's not to say we can't go lower, but I'm seeing a lot of bottoming out and a lot of volatility decreasing in the market. So usually stocks, they follow crypto because crypto is the leading indicator of liquidity, at least for global liquidity. And so stocks might still have some more downside. But if we look at Bitcoin, we are seeing a bottoming out process, as well as ETH. I'd like to talk a little bit about ETH too, because it's actually gained a bit of big headlines recently. There's a lot of good news coming out about ETH, like the staking ETF, which if you've heard of it, basically ETH gives you around 4% a year by staking it, and if they're able to make this ETF, it would kind of increase the benefit of holding this. So what's the point of even holding the regular ETH ETF currently when I could just own the ETH itself and be staking it and getting 4%? So that kind of breaks down the reason why that is maybe not doing as well as it could have. In a grand scale, it's actually done pretty well in terms of ETFs. It's actually gained a lot of inflow compared to all previous ETFs. Maybe not as good as Bitcoin, but it's done pretty well overall. And if you look at, say, assets under management, it has increased. BlackRock has increased a little bit. This is using someone else's tweet, but overall, I do see things getting better in the market. There might be a little bit more downside, but overall, we're seeing consolidation, and I'm still thinking ETH will outperform Bitcoin in this coming year if the ETH ETF, staking ETF, does come to fruition. Anyways, thank you. That's the update for today.